Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You should begin by confirming prerequisites: an active Microsoft Teams account, app or web access, and attendee emails. Open Teams and choose Calendar to start. This is where meetings live. Click New Meeting to create the event, add a clear title, and set date and time. Once done, invite participants by entering emails or selecting from your directory so invites sync. Make sure to choose a sensible duration and add a brief agenda in the description for clarity. Next, configure detailed settings so the meeting runs smoothly. Choose recurrence if repeating, verify the time zone, and confirm duration. Add a channel if this meeting belongs to a team, or leave it private to keep it separate. Once added, a Teams link is generated automatically. Assign roles. Make core speakers presenters and external guests attendees to limit controls. Also attach files or a calendar attachment, and use the scheduling assistant to finish by reviewing all details, then send the invite and set a reminder so attendees are prompted. Before the meeting, test your camera and mic using device settings. Ask one guest to test the link as well. During the meeting, use mute and screen share controls to manage flow. If participants can't join, try basic troubleshooting. Ask them to clear Teams cache, update the app, or rejoin using the meeting link. This resolves most connectivity or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.